Getting bored with roasted or buttery asparagus? Today's recipe is a refreshing change. A healthy and fresh Chinese-style stir-fry with shrimp, protein-packed and ready in 20 minutes. We'll use 300 grams of asparagus. Trim off the tough ends and peel the thicker bottom parts if needed. Then cut the asparagus diagonally into bite-sized pieces. This helps them cook faster and soak up more flavor. Now let's prep the shrimp. Take 200 grams of peeled shrimp, add a pinch of salt, some pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cooking wine. Mix well and let it marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. We also need 20 grams of garlic, sliced or minced, 20 grams of green onion, I'm using the white parts for a stronger aroma, and a small bowl of starch slurry. Mix 1 teaspoon of starch with 20 grams of water and stir well. The starch slurry will help the sauce cling to the ingredients better. Next, blanch the asparagus. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and a few drops of oil. Boil the asparagus for 1 minute. The salt and oil help the asparagus stay bright green after blanching. Blanching helps the asparagus cook more quickly later and keeps it tender without becoming tough or overcooked. Now let's stir fry. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the shrimp. Don't stir right away. Let one side sear until slightly golden, then flip and sear the other side. Add the garlic and green onion. Stir fry quickly until fragrant. Add the blanched asparagus and stir fry for 20 to 30 seconds. Then season with salt, chicken bouillon powder, and oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, soy sauce works well too. Stir well to combine all the flavors. Now gradually add the starch slurry in 2 to 3 batches. Each time you add, stir for a few seconds to evenly coat everything. Stir quickly, you'll see the sauce thicken and cling to the ingredients, making them glisten. That's when you know it's done. Blanched and then quickly stir-fried, the asparagus retains both its crisp texture and nutrients. It soaks up the shrimp's flavor, making this dish a tasty and healthy way to enjoy both vegetables and protein in one meal. Definitely worth a try. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you love asparagus, I'll be sharing more easy and delicious ways to cook it. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.